I don't expect you to. Doable as in you're gonna do it? Hey there, Manana no Mas viewers. This is Kurt Manana, your host of everything Manana no Mas, and on Concepts, ServiceWriterBook.com, and the rest. Product review time today. Today, I tried out the XPEDO clipped pedals for the first time. We're gonna have pictures and a full review and everything like that. But man, I gotta tell you, I went from flats to clips on this bike, and I use clips on all my other bikes, so you would think it'd be a natural transition to want to be clipped in on the mountain bike as well. And I'll tell you, for catching air and jumps, being clipped in was definitely the way to go for me. Personally, I had a lot more control of the bike. My foot placement wasn't an issue, and I was able to command much more control of the vehicle going down on the descent. In any case, the pedals themselves did great. Let's switch the camera angle here for you, and I'll show you what I got. All right, here we are. These are the new XPEDO. Truck went by. All right, they're a lot less clean than they were when I took them out of the box last night, but these are the new XPEDO clipped pedals that I put on the bike for the ride today. Now, I went pretty aggressively on Greer, which is a mountain bike park here in Marietta, and I had a couple of pedal strikes. You can see here, a little bit here. Caught a big rock right here. I'll just be honest with you guys. I am such a bumbling fool on a mountain bike compared to a road bike that I have a feeling I'm going to have a lot of rock strikes. Planning pedal placement and things like that on the trail just don't seem to be first nature to me. So one day with the pedals, got some fairly good scratches and dings on them, but I will tell you, compared to a standard mountain bike pedal, you know, with just the spline and the clips on it, this was a lot more sure-footed to me. I was able to get my foot on the platform. I was able to square the foot up and just kind of slide it into position, and I was able to get clipped in a lot more quickly with these pedals than with the standard mountain bike pedals that I had used on the cyclocross bike. So I thought these were great, and as far as like the rock strikes went, hitting the rocks with the platform underneath the shoe seemed to be a little bit more reassuring than without a platform underneath the clip, if that makes sense. So overall, I'm still super impressed with this Giant Rain Advanced 1. Now adding the clips gives me another element of control for the bike, and I couldn't be happier. So I'll get a full write-up done on the pedals, and we'll add that to the Manana no Mas website. Have yourself a good one. Bye-bye.